Ready to treat yourself to unlimited breadsticks without breaking the bank. Today, we're showing you the easiest ways to redeem your Olive Garden gift card, both in restaurant and online. First, let's talk about paying in person. When you're at the restaurant and ready to settle your bill, simply present your physical Olive Garden gift card to your server. They'll swipe it, and the amount will be deducted from your total. Prefer to enjoy your Olive Garden favorites at home? No problem. To use your gift card online, start by placing your order for pickup or delivery on the Olive Garden website or app. Once you reach the payment section, look for the gift card option. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your gift card number and the PIN, which is usually located on the back of the card and might require you to scratch off a protective layer. Type them in carefully. The system will automatically calculate the remaining balance on your gift card and apply it to your order. If the gift card doesn't cover the entire amount, you can easily pay the difference using another method, like a credit or debit card. And that's it, redeeming your Olive Garden gift card is that simple. Now you can enjoy your favorite Italian dishes without spending a fortune. Happy dining!